Hey everyone, this is Madhar Ali and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learning Digitally. Today we are diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. Yes, it's the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a transforming world and industries and creating new opportunities for professionals across the globe. But how can you ensure that your career thrives in this rapidly evolving world? Fear not. Artificial intelligence is not here to steal your job, but it's here to change it and potentially for the better. In this video, we all explore how you can plan a successful career in the exciting era of artificial intelligence. Friends, let's be honest. Artificial intelligence or AI automation can be scary. Repetitive tasks are at risk and some jobs might be disappeared. But here's the good news for you also. Artificial intelligence is also creating a ton of new opportunities for you. The key is to be prepared and develop the right skill set that is necessary in this digital era or artificial intelligence era. You must have skill sets that meet the requirement of artificial intelligence or this digital era. Keep in mind, planning a successful career in the era of artificial intelligence requires a strategic approach that combines a deep understanding of artificial intelligence technologies with the development of complementary skills and a proactive attitude towards continuous learning and adoption. In this video, here is a step-by-step guide to help you plan your career in this rapidly evolving field. Number one, understand AI or artificial intelligence. Educate yourself about the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing, computational linguistics, robotics, decision systems, cognitive analysis, and other parts of the artificial intelligence. You have to understand artificial intelligence in this way. Then you can start by taking online courses, reading books, and following reputable sources to stay updated on the latest development in the field of AI. Then you have to identify your interests and strength. That what are your interests and what is strength inside of you. Reflect on your interests, strengths, and career aspiration to determine how you can leverage AI technologies in your chosen field. Whether you are interested in healthcare, finance, marketing, or any other industry, AI is likely to have applications that can enhance your career opportunities. After understanding the artificial intelligence, now you have acquired the relevant skills. Dear learners, you have to develop a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science, which are essential for understanding artificial intelligence algorithms and technologies. Additionally, consider acquiring specialized skills in areas such as programming. So, in this way, you may learn the Python, Scala, or other related language, data analysis, machine learning frameworks, for example, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and also domain specific knowledge related to your field of interest. You have to focus or consider these skills to reach the target or to run successfully in this digital age. Then gain practical experience. Apply your knowledge by working on AI, participating in hackathons, or contributing to open source initiatives. So, friends, building a portfolio of projects will not only demonstrate your skills to potential employers but also provide valuable hands-on experience in solving real-world problems using AI techniques. And also, you have to stay updated. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving with new breakthroughs and advancements occurring regularly. So stay updated on the latest trends, research papers, and industry developments through online forums, conferences, workshops, and professional networks. Even you may join different type of the groups that may be related to your field of interest. Friends, then you have to create your network and establish collaboration. I suggest you don't go alone, but join the AI communities, attend the conferences, join the groups, and also network with the professionals in the field. Finding a mentor who can offer guidelines is also game changer that may change your life, that may take you on the way that take you to the success or your mentioned target. Keep in mind, networks can open doors to job opportunities, mentorships, and collaborations on projects that can accelerate your career growth. And then embrace lifelong learning. Learning should not be stopped. When you will stop your learning, that will be end of your life. So embrace the lifelong learning. Friends, AI is a rapidly evolving field and continuous learning is essential to stay relevant. Keep honoring your skills, exploring new technologies, and seeking opportunities for professional developments through online courses, certifications, and advanced degrees which you may do. Also focus the adaptability and agility. Develop a mindset of adaptability and agility to navigate the changing landscape of AI and its impact on job market. So be open to acquiring new skills, pivoting to different roles or industries, and embracing emerging opportunities that align with your career goals. And also focus the ethical considerations. As AI technologies become more pervasive, it's important to consider the ethical implications and societal impact of AI driven solutions. Stay informed and updated about the ethical guidelines, privacy regulations, and responsible AI practices to ensure that your work contributes positively to society. And don't forget, set clear goal and milestone. If your target is not clear and you have not set the milestone, you will not be successful in this digital era. This is a very rapid and fast era, so you have to run speedily with this era. Then you may reach your target and be successful in the life. So in this way, define your career goals and establish actionable milestone to track your progress. Regularly review and adjust your career plan based on your evolving interests, skills, and market trends to ensure that you are on the path to success in the era of artificial intelligence. And when you done this all, feel AI is your problem solving partner, not overlord. So don't just learn to the tools, understand the problems they solve. Focus on how AI can address real world challenges and contribute to positive outcomes. Think creatively about how AI solutions can be applied in your field. Therefore, build an AI portfolio. Create projects that showcase your skills and how you have applied them. This could be personal projects, open source contributions, or even freelance work which you have done on different projects or online or anywhere in this world. So don't forget to highlight your AI expertise on your resume and online profiles. Friends, the world of AI is constantly changing. Keep in mind. If you will stay, you will be back. If you will run continuously, you will be ahead. So be prepared to learn new skills and adopt as needed. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow your expertise. So if I conclude this video, I shall tell you the future of work is a collaboration between humans and AI. By developing the right skills and embracing a growth mindset, you can position yourself for a successful and rewarding career in the age of AI. So remember, AI is a powerful tool. Use it to enhance your skills and contribute meaningfully to your chosen field. Let us know in comments below. What are your thoughts on AI and the future of work? Please mention in comment box.